Hi everyone, I made it back. So today, I never said, listen, I never said that this channel was gonna have structure or organization. I'm kind of just doing what I want. And today we're doing something fun. We are gonna attempt to do gel nails at home. I got a kit off Amazon. Okay, let me give you some backstory first. Y'all know I'm a yapper. So I have been wanting to get my nails done for a long time. I haven't got my nails done since like June, around my birthday-ish, and this is what we're giving now. My hands are ashy because, you know, gel, you want to be as dry as possible. You don't want any oils on your nails. I used to kind of be a nail connoisseur back in the day. I used to be the nail art queen in high school. So I guess today we're gonna see if I still got it. I got this really good kit off Amazon. It's from the brand Beetles. I got it right here. It came with so much stuff, literally so much stuff. It came with everything you need. This is the, I don't want everything to fall out. The Beetles gel. I can't even read. What does that say? All-in-one something kit, because I still don't have a light, so I can't see anything. But it came with quite literally everything you need to start, which is good for me because I used to be the nail art queen, but do I have anything left? No. So of course you need the UV nail lamp. It literally came with that. And I'm sitting on the floor because the plugs in my apartment are not structured very smart. So I'm literally sitting on the floor in front of my bed because there's a plug right here. And I had a feeling that the UV nail lamp plug wasn't gonna reach far. This is the lamp. And I'm taking half of my coffee table because I have like a 2-part nesting coffee table. And it comes with a plug. I thought I was gonna need, the way I just dropped it, I thought I was gonna need a battery. I was gonna need batteries for this, but it came with a plug. And the plug is actually kind of long. Like I was doing too much. Like, this is plenty. Let's go ahead and plug her up. Like, I'm so excited because I wanted my nails done, like I said, for a couple weeks now. And I'm not paying that. Like, I'm not paying those ridiculous nail salon prices for something that I could honestly do. I know y'all saw that. Hold on. Oh, it's not gonna do it again. Oh. Hold on, wait, isn't this bad for you? Stop. I know that UV light is bad for you. Why is the remote on the table? I should have probably put some sunscreen on my hands. I'll probably get up and do that in a minute. But so it comes with the UV lamp. It comes with this little kit of like literally everything you could need. You got the gel removal nail wrap, foil wraps. You got the nail wipes to like soak in alcohol and get all the natural oils off your nails. A little brush. I got some nail tip extensions, but they don't come till tomorrow. But I wanted to go ahead and do my nails today because like it's boring. Some separators. You get two files. You get nickel pusher, I think, tweezers, a little brush to get the dust off. You got these like nail stickers to help you do French. I actually did not know these like actual design stickers were coming in. I might actually use these today. They're like bows and like little celestial stickers, nail clippers, and I will be using these gems because if you go to the nail salon, they want to charge you an arm and a leg for gems. Like why are we being punished for wanting to be sparkly? So I got some pearls and little rhinestones here. I'm just gonna leave those out actually. These are like the French tip help stickers, but I don't think I want to do French tips today. I'm gonna just actually put all this back in here. I low-key need these to, I'm gonna just take out like 1 or 2. These are the little wipes to help you get the natural oils off your nails. And it's crazy because it's actually true that you have a lot of oils, natural oils on your nails, because I literally just wash my hands, try to dry them out, and my nails are still shiny. So oh, so it's not that easy to open. Oh, these are thin. These are gonna last a long time. Yeah, I'm just gonna take out 2 of these so I can get some alcohol and wipe off my nails and dry them out so the gel sticks. You also get an instruction manual. And people be sleep on instruction manuals. Like, I love instruction manuals. I'm gonna read them because even if you just skim it, you have an idea of like what to do. Anyway, you also get these little things to help you take them off. 5? We have 10 fingers. You only get 5 of these. So I guess you gotta do one hand at a time. Next, these little swatches. I'll do these one day because they give you like 35 nail polish colors, which I'm about to show in a second. But you can swatch all of them on these, and it comes with a little chain to keep them together. I'll do that another day. I don't feel like doing that right now. And then lastly, you get all of your beautiful colors. You get so many, and I love how they show you on top. I'm trying not to drop them all. They show you on top what color it is. You also get cuticle remover back here. You get cuticle oil. You get a glitter top coat. We love a glitter top coat. You get a matte top coat. Regular top coat, I assume that's just shiny. And then your foundation base gel. I'm gonna leave that out because I'm obviously gonna need that. I'm gonna leave out the regular top coat. I need to go get a paintbrush. It didn't come with any like brushes or dotting tools or anything. But I got a bobby pin if I want to do dots, which I don't think I want to do. I think I want to use the gems. And then I'm gonna go get my tiniest paintbrush and hopefully make the nail art. I'm gonna attempt. Like I said, I haven't done my nails since high school. So we're just gonna see how this goes. And I low-key wanna keep it simple, so I'm gonna take, I kind of opened this already. This is supposed to be an unboxing, but I was too excited. Hey y'all, why Amazon delivered it to my neighbor and not me? Luckily my neighbor don't have a Ring camera and I can just go grab it and nobody was there. But like, I expect better. And I know it was early, they dropped it off early this morning, but like, pay attention. So I'm gonna use can you even see whatever this is, E147 as my base color. And then I low-key want to like have fun and do like rainbow colors because I can do that because I'm doing them myself and I'm not paying for it. But I also want to keep it like simple. We could go fall. I could do something like orange and black since Halloween is coming. Not that I'm like a Halloween girly, but like it could be fun. It could be fun. Okay, I'm gonna go dehydrate my nails. They're already pre-filed in like the square shape that I like. They're just a little boring. And y'all, it took my nails literally since June to come back from my acrylics. I'm never getting acrylics again. I might do Gel X, SNS, but acrylics drain. Like, I can never recover. So I'm never doing acrylics again. I'm gonna go dehydrate my nails with the cotton, with the little wipes I showed you guys, and get some alcohol. And then I'll be back. And I guess it's gonna be a surprise for both of us what we do. But yeah, I guess we'll see. Nervous, but excited. Okay, so I'm going in here with some 70% isopropyl alcohol, just regular rubbing alcohol, and adding it to those lint-free wipes that came in the kit just so I can properly prep my nails, get rid of any residing oils or not residing, residual oils or lint or anything that may be on my nail surface that I can't see, just to make sure that the gel adheres as well as possible. Now this is literally a Craft Smart paintbrush that I'm pretty sure I got from Michael's or somewhere, and this is what I'm going to be using to do my nail art. And then I'm just taking this foundation base gel that comes in the kit, and I'm going to be applying that to all of my nails as the base layer before I put any paint or art or color or anything on my nails. After I finish my first hand, I'm just going in and putting my hand under the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Apparently there's this thing called contact dermatitis if you don't cure your gel properly. So I'm doing each layer 60 seconds, and I'm going to do a full 2-minute cure at the end. And the light went off automatically as soon as the time is up, as you could see. Now I'm just taking that E147 color I showed you at the beginning, and I'm going in with thin layers on all of my nails, making sure I get any that got on my skin before I put my hand back under the lamp. The key to these polishes is to make sure that you work in really thin layers. Even though it may feel annoying, it's gonna be what prevents you from experiencing pulling and cracking as you cure your nails under the UV light. I did one more layer to make sure it was nice and opaque, and put it under the lamp one more time for 60 seconds.
Now I'm grabbing my white and I'm putting a little bit on some ratchet aluminum foil and I'm going in with that little Craft Smart paintbrush and just starting with some little abstract lines, I guess. I was just going with the flow for real. I was like, we're gonna see how this turns out. And I started with my first layer of white. I'm gonna mention a little bit later that the white is not very opaque, but I think that's just gel polish because you have to work in such thin layers. But I did the first layer, cured it, and then went in with another layer. I even messed up a little bit on my thumb, but like whatever, it's fine. It's just at home nails. But yeah, this is me going back over it to make sure my white pops a little bit more like I like it. So this was what we were working with before we started putting the gems on. I didn't show, but I used the foundation base gel to kind of act as the glue before I stuck the rhinestones on. But yeah, I didn't just stick them on the polish that was already there. And then I just cured it additionally for 60 seconds before I sealed everything in with the top coat. And then here's just a little time lapse of me doing the other hand. I was struggling at first because I had not painted my left hand in so long. I am left-handed, but I ended up liking my left hand better because the nails were longer, but whatever. And because I'm such a good videographer, I also forgot to film me doing a final cure of 2 minutes for both hands just to make sure everything was locked in. Because again, I didn't want no contact dermatitis. But that was pretty much it.
Okay. For a first time painting my nails since like 2016, 2017. I mean, I put some cuticle oil on. Like, and these are just my natural nails. Like I said, the tips didn't make it in time for my excitement. So, yo, can this camera focus though? And I low-key, I like my non-dominant. This is my, I'm left-handed, so my left hand, I feel like because my nails are longer on here, it looks better. But like, just saying, like, I kind of, maybe I'm like a little delulu, but I kind of body like, this is not bad. This is not bad. And I really like the kit. Like, as y'all heard me talk about, like, the colors are super buildable. I was kind of blown. Like, when I have white nail polish, I want it to just be like opaque, straight white. Like, I don't want to have to layer it. But I feel like the fact that the other colors were layerable, like, that's, you know, that's not a bad thing at all. This was a solid kit. Like, everything you need. And you know, I just trusted it because it had over like 50,000 reviews on Amazon and they were like almost 5 stars. So anything that's purchased by that many people with that many good reviews, like, you know, you can't really go wrong with that. I did come to y'all today in a SpongeBob t-shirt. I hope you don't mind that I came on here rough. Like, it's my off day. I'm chilling. You see, we had a little self-care vibe. We got our nails done for free. Like, technically it wasn't free because I had the kit, but like, if I had went to the salon, they would have charged me almost 100 for this. Like, it's actually ridiculous. And like, the nail salon I usually go to, they do a good job, but like, last time I went, the lady made me mad because I told y'all I had them acrylics on and she was trying to pry them off rather than soak them off, and it hurt. Anyway, so that's really what made me even think about doing my own nails again, because I'm like, I know you heard what I said. Like, why are you trying to rip my nails off? But, you know, I'll keep you guys posted in the next video on how long these last. Gel usually lasts me like a month. So we're gonna see if my work stands up to the salon life. This is a good kit, y'all. Like, I'm actually really hyped right now. And I got my free gems. I don't have to pay extra to sparkle. But I think that wraps today's video. I'm glad that you stayed till the end, if you did. And comment what else you want to see, because as you can tell, I'm kind of just on here doing stuff. I was going to do a drawing video today, but I might save that for the next video because this is my little creativity for the day. I'll probably still draw today, but I just intended for this channel to be kind of an additional creative outlet. So we just doing stuff. Like, we might be painting the walls next time. I'm just playing. I live in an apartment. I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching if you made it all the way to the end. And be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos from me. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.